পরমানন্দ হে মাধব পদু গৌচি মকরন্দ হে মকরন্দ পান করি আনন্দে বলো হরি হরি। Those who have surrendered to Krishna, they are all protected by Krishna, completely protected by Krishna. Krishna is keeping them in very high position. আমার হইতে বড় ভক্ত পদ, কৃষ্ণ সাম্য হইতে হয় বড় ভক্ত পদ। The bhaktas are greater than Krishna. Even Krishna keeps them in high position. If you surrender to Krishna, your position will be very high position. By Krishna's desire, everything is happening. He is so Vigya, he knows everything. He is Swarada Swatantra, he is completely independent one. If someone has gone to, in this material world, someone has gone to high position, after some days, he may fall down from that position. But Krishna Bhakta is always in very high position. He will. King of the demigods Indra, he became pig. He was in a very high position. Since he committed offense at the lotus feet of his Guru, he became very weak. His all opulences and all the Shakti, strength, power gone. This material position we are getting here, this will not help us. These are all temporary. Due to our karmanmukhi sukruti, we have gotten a higher position in the heavenly planet. But after some time, when that sukruti will be finished, then we will again fall down here. Bhagavad Gita kouchandi, evam trai dharmanu prapanna gata gatam kama kama labhanti. Again, after that, again they fall down in this material world where there is death. Fleeting pleasure. We are trying to become very great one here in this material world for only temporary happiness. Those who have surrendered to Krishna, those who have taken shelter at the lotus feet of Krishna, they will not care for any type of situation. Whatever ability I am having, with that I will try to please Krishna. No need to collect so many material things. I don't possess any wealth, money. I will simply give water, one pot of water, one glass of water with a sleep. Krishna will be happy. Whatever I will do with priti, with love. Krishna does not need anything from us. He is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He needs only priti, only love, nothing else. Whatever we are having, we can give with love. And Krishna will be happy with that. I will just see his happiness, how he will be happy. And that is bhakti. Constantly, if one is looking for the happiness of Krishna, then he will get Krishna prema. Krishna Sukhanusandhana. He said Krishna Sukhanusandhana. We are searching for our own happiness. We are not searching for Krishna's happiness. If I will possess something, then I will offer seva to Krishna, render seva to Krishna. I don't possess anything, how can I render seva to Krishna? This is not the consideration of a surrender soul. Bhayam swayam vibhyati. If we will surrender ourselves and serve Krishna, then the death will also have fear. Associating with Guru Vaishnava, we should serve Krishna. We will not at all what do you say? Deviate. Seva. By associating with Vaishnava Guru, we should serve Krishna. Yamaraj cannot do anything to that type of devotee who is serving Krishna always. As deity form, he is attracting everyone. In many places, many temples, he is remaining as a deity form and he is getting seva from the devotees. Whatever we will do in the temple, we should do for his pleasure. We'll cook, we'll make costumes or we'll do cleaning seva, whatever seva we'll do for his pleasure. If there will be little pleasure, our pleasure will be there, then it will become karma kanda. Hari Sukha. Pleasure for Lord Hari. If you are looking for the pleasure of Lord Hari, then we are remaining in bhakti path. If you will not see for the pleasure of Lord Hari, we will see for our pleasure of our own senses. Bhagavan appeared here, Krishna appeared here as Gaur Hari to teach us how we can render loving services to Him. Ama vina anunare braja prema dite. No one can give braja prema, no one can give that prema to Krishna. If I will not go, who will teach it? So therefore he came here to teach us how to render loving services unto Him. He appeared here as a bhakta and through Sankirtan he preached how to give prema to Krishna by chanting holy name. Even Dhruva, doing tapasya, he did not get that prema. But Mahaprabhu came, indiscriminately he distributed that prema through Harinam. Sankirtanaika Pitaro. He is the father of Sankirtan. Prem Nam Sankirtan. Prem Nam Sankirtan, Gauranga Mahaprabhu's Prem Nam Sankirtan, just like Krishna's flute tune. When Krishna plays flute, the inhabitants of Braja, they run to Krishna. Similarly, when Mahaprabhu chants Hare Krishna Mahamantra, all the, even old, young, small children, they all get attracted towards the Sankirtan. Sound vibration. The Sankirtan is transcendental sound vibration. So if someone is listening one time this Nama Sankirtan, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, then he should think that today is very auspicious day. Today is very auspicious day for me because I heard Sankirtan, Nam Kirtan. Krishna is a Prema Thakur. Without the prema, without the love, one cannot do bhajan, cannot do seva. Without prema, if someone is doing something, that is just like material activities. There will be priti or love, then it will be considered as bhakti or seva. We will develop desire to serve him if we will develop some love for him. Today I cannot do. I am tired. Tomorrow I will do serve. Today you manage. If there will be priti, there will be love, one will become like a madman. You will run for seva. This is the goal of human life. To give pleasure to Krishna, to give love to Krishna, or to give loving seva to Krishna is our goal of human life.